Hey Tech Squad! Today we are diving into the world of innovative lighting by featuring a special product by the company The Artment. Now before we get started with the video, I have just one request. If you like all things tech, please hit the subscribe button. It helps the channel immensely. With that said, let's shed some light on this exciting product. Alright, let's kick things off with the unboxing of the Zenith Lamp by The Artment. The packaging is sleek and well designed, building up the anticipation for what's inside. Inside the box, we have the product itself, a cable, a remote control with batteries included, and its legs. The assembly process seems very straightforward, which is always a plus. And as we reveal each component, you can immediately sense the quality of craftsmanship. But before we dive into the details of the product, a quick disclaimer. The Artment was kind enough to send the Zenith Lamp to us for review. However, our views are and will always be unbiased and genuine. Now, back to the video. You just press the button on the remote and the lamp turns on. You can pick any shade from the RGB buttons of the remote. Plus, the lamp also has some cool and fancy modes which you can play around with. The setup of the lamp is very simple. All you need is just a power adapter and you're sorted. Its compact design is a big selling point of this product. It is just perfect for those tight corners or cozy spaces. The ability to customize your ambience opens up a world of creative possibilities. It's designed in such a way that the light wouldn't distract you even if you were reading or just relaxing. Plus, you can control the brightness of the light with the remote control. That is super handy. The Artment were seen on Shark Tank India, showcasing their amazing home decor products. Now you would say, what's so different about them? I really loved their USP, which is 100% made in India products. And this alone sets them apart from every other home decor brand out there, as they've been supporting Indian artisans ever since they took off. But here's where the product gets really exciting and versatile. How about using the RGB feature to set the mood for different occasions? Maybe a movie night, a gaming session. The Zenith Lamp adds that touch of vibrance in your living room. It's also a great choice for using it near your desk or your working space. Now let's talk about how you can integrate the Zenith Lamp into your bedroom. Imagine creating a cozy and relaxing atmosphere with just a touch of a button. You can set the perfect mood for winding down after a long day. Speaking from personal experience, the Zenith Lamp has become a staple in my setup. Whether I'm working on content late into the night or just chilling with a book, the adjustable lighting and sleek design creates an impressive atmosphere. It is more than just a lamp, it's a versatile companion. What's even more impressive is the high quality materials used, giving it a very premium feel. Another good thing about the Zenith Lamp is that it's not limited to being plugged into a wall socket. The Zenith Lamp can also be powered by a power bank. The only gripe that I had during my experience with the Zenith Lamp was its remote. Unfortunately, the remote we received wasn't in the best condition. It's a bit disappointing when a small element like this doesn't match the overall premium feel of the product, especially when the product is so good. However, I hope this is an isolated issue. Besides this minor setback, the Zenith Lamp truly lives up to its promise. So Tech Tips Only fam, there you have it. The Zenith Lamp from Artment is overall a very decent product at the price that you get it for. And I think if you really want to spice up your space, this is a compact and a must-have lamp for your house or your office. If you're planning to buy this lamp, I'll put the link in the description box below And you could use my coupon code TechTipsOnly to get a flat 10% discount when you buy this or any other product from the Artment's website. If you enjoyed watching this video, do give it a thumbs up as always. And do not forget to press the subscribe button and stay tuned for more such tech goodness.